Wouldn't it be nice to feel centered and safe when your energy being protected when you travel? And that's why in this video, I will share with you a rune formula that does just that. It protects you during your travels. I personally use it a lot every time, I take a flight or I take in a long road trip. And the only thing is, like, it's not gonna, save you from a speeding ticket or something like that, because there are different formulas for that to become more unseen from the radars in a way. But it will definitely help you be focused on the journey and enjoy it. And as I said, it's basically this idea of it is to as a protection. It will protect your energy. And so there are just 3 runes that are used in this formula, and you can write it on yourself, or you can create an amulet. You can also put it on the surface of your transportation. If it's a car or a motorcycle or even a bike, you can actually have it written on your transportation to make sure that you are protected when you're using it. And so the runes that I use in this formula are Algiz, Raidu, Algiz. And obviously, it is great to know the meaning of each of these runes when you're using them in the formula. And the way it works is Algiz as the rune, a general rune of energy protection or protection from divine. Raidu symbolizes the journey, the road, the ride. And then, Algiz again as a result, which is yours being protected. So that's kind of how it works. You're asking for divine protection, and Algiz is the rune of a person raising their hands to divine to ask for protection. Then where you need protection from? During the ride, as in the Raidu rune. And then as a result, you are protected with divine powers, which this rune, in my experience, when I'm using it, you do feel guarded, and that there are, it's just a feeling that you get, and this extra thing that it's nice to have it when you travel, especially during these times when the flights get canceled and everything is going. Sometimes passport control is going way too difficult and things like that. With this rune formula, things kind of work out and you just feel more protected. I often use this rune formula with another one that increases your luck, and I will share it with you in a different video with more details on how to use that one. So with the protection on the road, I encourage you to test it out for yourself. Again, you can just write it on yourself or create an amulet and charge it and activate it, which is very important. And that's kind of when we go deeper into practical rune magic in the online community. So you're more than welcome to join the community, like, share, subscribe if you found value in this video. And, stay tuned for more rune magic or related videos on this channel. And remember, rune magic is just a seed. Practice is the true magic.